Okay, gang, we've set up our company information and our default settings. Now we're going to go ahead and start with our first assessment. Somebody gave a call, they have a high water bill, and we're going to go out and help them. So from my homepage, app.mimirwater.com, I'm going to go ahead and select new assessment. That's immediately going to take me to the property info page, and this is just information we're going to collect about the property. So I'll go ahead and fill it out for myself. We'll say East C Street. You can add a property image if you want. It'll show up in the report. Usually I click it when I'm there, some nice feature of the place. Customer name, Aniki Chamberlain. We're going to go ahead and add our account information because everything that we put on the screen is going to download into a database at the end of the year. So we don't have to do any data entry. And so we're going to have all the information we need to check the results, get inventory of what we did over the summer. So go ahead and keep putting in. Okay, so just basic information stuff. Again, you can do this from the phone, but it's a lot easier on the computer. Okay, this part, property type, there's a lightning bolt here. We're going to select which property type. In this case, it's single family residential, but we're going to want to make sure we track that through the year because again, this downloads in a database. You're going to be able to see what types of properties you had the most audits on, all kinds of information. And then going to go ahead and put in the contact information, which would just be me. This is different for commercial. It is typically the landscaper, the cooling tower guy, the manager, the facilities guy or gal, whoever you are going to work with. But we will. Okay, then I'm going to poke in their email, and now I have all the information I need to keep in touch and have all my records for the account. Again, it's very useful for commercial because you're going to have so many different stakeholders. Okay, once all my property information is there, I can go ahead and click this green button. Doesn't do anything on the functional side, but when we go, you can click on this back arrow or the name of the audit. It's going to kind of take us to our table of contents, so we can know we're already done with that. We can move on. Okay, so next we're going to look at audit prep and get our audit set up before we go in the field.